guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Orlando Pirates 4, Chakuma 1. I'm joined by the General.
Mnanda uthiyama sifikile sidlalile neChakuma yabona mfana ithi ngiqale ngowadu ngize nayo ngithi kuyiphula yabona uwadu awuthiyama ale awuthi isigele sintswemi mara vele expecting kuyo because umuntu wase institution eGroot lapha ema-arena wethu uyayibona le nto le bheka ukuthi uyiqale kanjani le nto le yabo uyiqale ngelokhuzana nge-433 make iqala you understand siyatheka nangamawinge amalokhuzana ethu satheka ngodino ngapha nolokhuzana uyakhuphuka nohotho uyakhuphuka uyayi-understand leyo nto yawuthama so kusho ukuthi manje masiya ku-attacking isigaya more options you understand and laphayana esiswini bekuqinile mfethu bekungabonakali nokuthi ifukuzalile you understand and into engichazayo ngowadu mfethu namaplayer wakhe wonke umuntu amfakayo ufika asipane bheka uMaswanganye namhlanje ubonisile mfethu kudala angazange afika you understand akusilo umuntu lo othi mamsuse ebhentshini angakuniki kumele ube mnandi ngafanele you understand and then si-introduce uDiong mfethu ngakutshela ngathi stale yana yabo stale yana uthiyami sinika ishansi nalo mfana wethu Mbuthumbu simnika ishansi mfana samala kwamanje but khona into engiyibonayo kuleya mfana sazogwaza abantu ababhaya kakhulu understand and into kumele mina nginganga nga-riding step but-ke ngoba thina si-team yaseSodra uyabonana namhlanje bengigcoke ngizorepresenta laba itering eyishoni esibhodi imovie saqala ukuthi abafana ngizonishayela ikhala yona but ibheja angeke ngiyishiye ikhala ngizoyishaya you understand ngizobashayela ikhala mara ibheji yona angeke ngibashaya uyabona uthiyami manje sekuyacaca ukuthi ucoacha imuphi interpreter yiphi yashuba manje kuyaqala kuyashuba manje uyangunderstand thina the wesifike ngakhona mfethu necoach yeSundowns sekuyi-investigator sekayothatha amakhemera yoshutha abakhulu sifikele thina njalo sifundisa abantu ukuthi babe-advance uyabona uyabona sithibe ithi ngukutshela uthiyama uyabona mangabe uyi-finalist bodlala ku-final ku-cup njenge-Nedbank uqala kanje uqala kanje laba abasireba bonakele uphumelela ende futhi yakutshela uthiyama another 10 years akusana flop onakuthiba uthiyama ithi ngaba fethu bathi mina nawe sizoyihlanganisa
bafethu kwamele ngitshela uchairman into ebalulekile bafethu bafethu chairman uzwi Nedbank ithini ithi any player Pirates othemba ukuthi izokora next game chairman thatha i-loan ye-jersey number yayo mangakora baqale yo man
and plus 10 meters
yabona yakarile che
yabona mfana indaba uwadu akananamba bengizothatha inamba
Thank you, my